I was doing a little Mother's Day shopping, and I was like, it was either between these or some Vomeros, so I'm probably just get these because they're different. I like Kid Super. My mom, she works out a lot, so she likes basketball shoes, so we're probably gonna go with these. There was some other Vomeros. I'll show y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Find somebody. I'm gonna do a review on them. 8.5. Yeah. And I got them on display too. Yo, so we back at the crib and we finna do a deep dive into the unboxing. And if you guys like how I show you guys how I pick up the shoes and things of that, let me know in the comment section below, and then make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you can stay tuned for more content like that. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, I think these are super slept on. I think Kid Super is a super slept on brand in general, and I wasn't hip to it until, I'm trying to think, when I first brought my first Kid Super piece. Now, they're really big on the clothes. Now, they do have some shoes. I think I have 2 pairs of their Pumas, and they tough. Well, one of them, they're all right. They're like a Balenci clone, but the other one, ooh, people sleep on them. People don't even know about it, that's the thing. But they do drop a lot of, they're mainly in their clothes, and they have some boots too, bro. I want the boots so bad. And I made a video about your sneaker rotation. So if you have issues trying to figure out what you have in your sneaker rotation, or you're trying to build a collection, make sure you watch that video, bro. That actually, I mentioned these, but Kid Super, they had some shorts, bro. Oh my God. And it's basically, so you see like these faces kind of surrounding the box. That's kind of like their like trademark design. And I'm telling you, they definitely know how to put them together, bro. So a couple stores be selling them. I know the stores out here, Sneaker Politics out here sells them. I'm in Dallas. I know in Houston, DJ Tucker store, they sell them. A Better Generation. But you can go on like Railed and things like that. Obviously like StockX, stuff like that, if you want to see some pieces, bro. But their clothes are fire. And I was really surprised when they did a collab with Lamelo. Oh, these are tough. And already I like Lamelo shoes, bro. So let's get into it, bro. Because I'm already a fan of Lamelo shoes. So y'all see this big little claw thing. Obviously Puma, they're going to stripe through the box. Now he does do this with some of his other boxes. Now I don't necessarily know if they do it like this to where it's like in the box. I know they just caught it on there, but that's pretty dope. Now we have Kid Super on the right side, Melo's logo right here, the one with the angel wings, and then Melo right here, then one, because he's one of one type. That's not glazing, that's literally just what it means. Then on the sides we have Not From Here. That's also one of Lamelo's signature sayings. He be using a little spaceship emoji. What else? I think there's something else on here too. I think that's about it for the box. Just Kid Super branding, Puma branding all across. But obviously, if you keep up with Lamelo, you know what he's about. So let's get into it. Open these up. Like I said, I got these for mom for Mother's Day, bro. And y'all might be thinking, why you get your mom some basketball shoes for Mother's Day? My mom is very athletic. She does personal training. She's actually training for bodybuilding. And so she loves shoes to work out in. And then when I be buying her expensive stuff, bro, she literally does lunges, bro, in them, creasing them, bro. And I was like, bro, I gotta treat her like a child, bro. I gotta treat her like a child. So she really enjoyed these. If I can, I'm gonna try and have her do like on feet for you guys so you guys can know the size and everything. But I know the sizing off the top of my head because I did wear Lamelos. I wore the, I forgot what they're called. Oh, the Rick and Morty's. I wore the Rick and Morty. So I can tell you guys the sizing and everything like that. But here we have it right here are the Lamelos. So I'm gonna keep this one right here because we're gonna try to edit that out. Right here, bro, so obviously we have the Kid Super signature design with the lips and the faces going all around. Again, that's pretty dope with this light baby blue with this dark blue. That's pretty dope. Giving me major cotton candy vibes, and I love it. Now on the tongue right here, we have one on the tongue tab, and then right here it says Rare, and this pretty cool font. And then this is #1, obviously his jersey. Then the halo, because that's usually what he be rocking. I think he got a tattoo. That back tattoo that he got recently, crazy, not gonna lie. Boy, went crazy on his VC. Then we have a signature logo with the 1 and the angel wings. So that's pretty dope right here. Now on this, surrounding the toe box area, we have like this furry material with it's not even the Puma logo. I don't know why they put that there. But with this right here, I don't know why they put it there, but it's kind of unnecessary, but color matches right there. Man, this toe box, I didn't even feel this, bro. This toe box, bro, it feels like plushy, like super plushy. It actually feels super nice. And then my mom, she did say that these were very comfortable. So I'm like just feeling them. They're definitely more, they feel softer than the Melos that I had, the reverse Grinches, the Rick and Morty's. So that could probably attest to some of the comfortability. But in my personal opinion, when I wore the Rick and Morty's, I wore a 13, and that's kind of like my true size. They felt a little bit tight, so I would go up half a size, especially if you plan on actually hooping with them. And I would hope that you're only hooping in them, because wearing the basketball shoes for casual is kind of crazy work. And they're also slightly heavy, bro. They're slightly heavy. They have a similar feel to LeBron's, I'm not gonna lie. I had some LeBron 11 lows when I used to hoop. Them things heavy, boy. And Lamelo's got that similar feel, but these are pretty dope. Next we have like blue speckles right here on the midsole. It's pretty dope. And then I like this little creative design. Now I really do think that Lamelo, he kind of caters to his younger fan base, because I do think a lot of the younger kids really do enjoy Lamelo. I think we all really enjoy Lamelo at one point. He all had us in a chokehold, pointing at the half court line, Chino Hills, and then he came out with a reality TV show. So that was pretty dope. And then, you know, surround with his brothers and things like that. So I think that's also pretty dope. So yeah, but I really do think, especially with all the colorways, you know, at the Rick and Morty's, he had the, he just be having a really like crazy colors, shoes. And I really do think that it really appeals to the younger generation. Not really my speed. Like I said, the only ones that I really gravitated to, I really like these. I love Kid Super. And I like the Rick and Morty's. Those are pretty dope. But those are kind of rich vibes. You know, on the back we have more branding. We have Puma, we have Melo, we have 101, and then we have it just in writing, and then we have Kid Super kind of size. So, and these are super dope. Then next right here, we have it on the kind of more like another like in a sense, maybe not, I don't know, but this is the bottom of the sole. I'm not gonna lie, bro. These are super slept on. This is a crazy collab with a basketball shoe. I don't know why they didn't sell out. I think Lamelo, and this might be a wild take, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. I think Lamelo has a top 5 basketball shoe. I think right now, like, kind of, it'll probably go Kobe's, the Anthony Edwards, they're killing it. What's another one? They're doing good as well. I'll put those in there. The James Hardens, they look cool, but I don't think a lot of people are on them like that. You know what I mean? I was in the mix for a little bit with this little retro line that he had going on, but I think it kind of, well, I think he stopped. Well, he's on the KD4s right now, but yeah, I think he's for sure in the mix. And then I'll probably just end it off with Kyrie. I think his answers are doing, I wouldn't say they're doing good. Okay, let me rephrase that. They're doing good, but they're extremely hard to get. A lot of people like them, but they're extremely hard to get. And I do think that will hinder its success with how hard that they make these answers for the Kyrie line. But yeah, I would go Kobe, and I'm just saying this in no order. Kobe, LeBron, Sabrina, Melo, and Ant. Yeah, a little top 5 somewhere in there. But yeah, I really do think that he has, and I'm going based off like when I go to these AAU tournaments to go sell to my basketball players, I kind of just everybody's feet. I do see a lot of Melos, bro, but these are definitely tough. I think they're super underrated, bro, and there's like on the video, bro, they had a bunch of sizes. I don't know if I put it in the video now, but when I asked the guy originally what's the highest they had, he said he had it all the way to a 12. Now obviously it's not a 13 and 14, but you know, got these like a week late, so for the most part, you can easily get these at your local Foot Locker, bro. So let me know how y'all feel about these. Let me know how y'all feel about the Melos, bro. These are definitely tough. I would honestly just want these in my collection, just off some like, and just some vibes, you know. And it's a collab, bro. You're not gonna see this again, like. And it's super. They mainly only do stuff with Puma, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think they really do anything with any other brands. With Melo basically leading Puma, I think this will be like the only one that you're gonna get. Now Scoot, I know he has Puma, but I really don't even know why they gave him a shoe. No shade to him, no, like, hey, I'm not an NBA, so I can't talk that much, but that's gonna be it for the video, man. So let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Let me know any other basketball shoes that you guys want me to do. I'll if you guys want, you know, basketball shoes, and I'm trying to manage my money with it, but if I want to do it to where like I just start getting the shoes and I go out and I film like me pick up at FC or something and doing like a spot on, like, but it's gonna get to a point where I'm just gonna have like shoes that I will never wear. So I'm kind of just planning that out. But if that's something you guys are interested, you guys can also let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, man, that's it for the video. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.